number 11, it says Susan has $150. She spends 2/5 of the money on Monday. She spends the remaining money equally over the next 5 days. How much money does she spend on each of the 5 days? So let's start with what we know. It says Susan has $150. Right? You can also draw it as a bar. She spends 2/5 of the money on Monday, so I would divide it into 5 parts. Okay, 2 parts is Monday. Okay, she spends the remaining money equally over the next 5 days. Right, so at this point, if I know, without even thinking about that last sentence where it tells us she spends the remaining money equally over the next 5 days, by drawing that bar model, if I know the total is $150, I should be able to find out how much one part is. Okay, so I can do this a couple different ways, right? I can divide by 5 and find out that each part is 30. And then I know that on Monday she spent $60, right? 30 times 2 is 150 divided by 5 is going to give me 30. So each one is 30, right? I'm also going to get 30 if I just do, I'm also going to get $60 for the amount she spent on Monday if I just do 2/5 times 150. Right? 2 times 150 is 300. 5 times 1 is 5. 300 divided by 5. I would simplify that to 30 divided by 5 and get 6. Then add my 0. So I would get $60 again. Either way I do it, bar model or no bar model. But if I know that's 60, I know the other part is 90, right? So I see that in my bar. I can also just subtract 150 minus 60 and get $90 as the part that's remaining, right? I hope we all can see that the remaining part right here is $90, right? But what they're asking us is to find out how much she spends on each of the 5 days, because she's taking that $90 and spending an equal amount on 5 days. So again, equal amount tells us that we have to divide. Okay, so 90 divided by 5 is going to give you $18. If you wanted to show this on the bar model, you would have to go something like this. And if I do that, the big green boxes are still worth 30, but each of the green boxes would become worth 6, right? Because 6 times 5 is 30. And then and each day would be a row. So I would see that right here is my $18. Okay? Either way, bar model or no bar model, you're going to get the same answer.